Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day everyone. My name is Muhammad Dhiya Hafreez bin Kamil and I am a doctoral student from UiTM Cawangan Perak. And today I am presenting the Contract Plus, a digital platform for performance monitoring in construction project. The project is guided by my supervisor, TS Dr. Muhammad Najib Abdul Rashid and TS Dr. Muhammad Rizal Muhammad. The construction industry faces challenges in tracking project progress, finances, relying on the outdated tools like spreadsheet. This method lead to the inefficient and error. Contract Plus offer a cost-effective, user-friendly digital solution to track the finances, productivity, and also the project performance in a real time. Manual reporting method causes delay and inconsistencies in tracking the project data. The Contract Plus address this by integrating all of the data into a single platform, improving the visibility and the decision making. The Contract Plus also aim to streamline the financial tracking, improving the productivity monitoring, and also to simplifying the report. By standardizing the data input, it's enable the contractor to make a quicker and more informed decision and reduce the project risk. Unlike the traditional solution, the Contract Plus use the real world feedback by during the development to meet the contractor needs. It integrates the key performance indicator into one system and is designed to be scalable and affordable, making it ideal for small and medium-sized firms. It is also has been recognized of a top 10 innovation at the SFERA Innovation Competition by CIDB. Contract Plus improve the transparency and reduce delay and help to identify risk early. This lead to the better project outcome and fewer dispute. And it's not only benefiting for the contractor, but also for the client and the communities when the project is successful. With over 130,000 contractors in Malaysia, the Contract Plus has significant market potential. It is also scalable and designed for the small firm, offering tiered subscription and also training services. The early feedback has been really positive from the contractor and from the communities. Here is a look of the Contract Plus dashboard. It allows the real-time tracking of finances, productivity, and also the work progress. It's making it easy to monitor the project key performance metric. In conclusion, the Contract Plus simplifying the project monitoring to improve the transparency and reduce risk in the construction management. It is ready to scale and has the potential to transform the industry. Thank you.